What's good, fam? It's Darkest Prod here, back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this beat. Using the homie Kahoots as sample. And don't worry, I got you this time. We're going inside Studio One. Let's get into it. First things first, I'm just going to show you guys the sample that he sent me. It was a long piece of music, so instead of just adding anything to it, I just took the two sections that I really liked. What I did first is I duplicated the sample and took out all of the highs here on this on the main sample. So I added an EQ, took out a lot of the low end. So I pretty much removed all the bass. Yeah, I did. I removed all the bass, took out a little bit of the high so that it has a little bit of a lo-fi effect. Where that's so thin, I added a widener to spread it out a bit more, and then added a compressor as well too, and side change that to the kick. The bass though, so what I did here, where I duplicated it, I did the opposite. So basically what I did here is I just took out all of the highs, EQ'd them out, added an R bass, a compressor, side change of the kick as well too, and then added some distortion here for warmth. That's going to sound like this. For the drums, what I did is I found this percussion loop first. I added a kickstart as well as an EQ, took out some of the lows and some of the highs as well too, and added a pancake to it. This is a free plugin from Cable Guys. I'll just go to the website and get that because I use it on everything. Then I found this hi-hat loop from Splice. The clap is two actually. It's they're both from Decap. One is from the Drums That Knock Volume 9, and this one is from the Drums That Knock Volume 10. I just layered them together because you can do that within sample one. You just literally have to drag in another sample on top of it, and that sounds like this. For the clap, I added a widener, spread it out a bit as well too, about 47%, and then added a reverb. The rim is also from the Drums That Knock Volume 9, and the kick is my go-to. It's the classic from Drums That Knock Volume 10. All together it sounds like this. So I did add some background vocals here I found in Arcade. I added an EQ as well as a delay and some reverb as well too. It gives you that spacey, airy sound. So next what I did is I took the main sample, pitched it down 2 semitones, chopped it up and put it in an impact, and the chop sounds like this. Next I took those chops, reversed it, and before I chopped it I duplicated it and made a B section to it, and I added a portal effect, and I have it automating. It's the grit option from their built-in presets, and I have it automating on here in the last 4 bars. And I did sprinkle vocals throughout it with some Simon Servita ones from Capital Drum Kit Volume 3 and Cook and Soul. His kits too have some really bomb vocals. Yeah, the B section sounds like this. So instead of adding anything else, I just left that section the way it is. So that's essentially, I broke it in half. I took what I did fairly quickly, made it a verse, and then I added his section as well too that I really liked. I didn't want to do anything to it. I just added my drums on top of it, chopped it up. Again, instead of using an Effectrix or a looperator or anything like that, it'll sound like this. there's a transition as well too that basically tells you, oh, there's something else coming. That's the end of the video. Thanks again for sticking around to the end. I really appreciate it. Shout out to Kahoots for the sample. Let me know if this video was helpful in the comments down below. My name is Darkest Prod. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. We're on our way to 1K. Thanks again. I really appreciate it. Later days.
Got to get a hold of yourself.